Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GD app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of GD and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of GD. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.